Okay, quick morning update on the tropics. And Melissa getting closer to the cusp of major hurricane status once again, believe it or not. Zooming in here, infrared satellite imagery showing the storm now moving to the northeast at 21 miles an hour, so racing away from the Bahamas. Pressure 965 millibars, so it's down there, and 105 miles per hour. The maximum sustained winds. Visible satellite imagery, this is just barely showing as the sun comes up. But why I threw on the lightning data here, I wanted you to see that and look at some of the outer bands, how much lightning there is associated with the storm. So still a pretty healthy storm. I mean, obviously not what it was in Jamaica, but 965 and 105 miles an hour Category 2 storm. It's forecast to pass to the west of Bermuda, but still that would put Bermuda on the eastern side of the storm, so there will be some impacts for the country, but at least not a direct hit. But it's going to be a Category 2 as it passes by to the west. So the intensity forecast, again, could briefly bump up, getting close to Category 3 before we see a gradual weakening trend over the coming days. The GFS model shows the storm, again, passing just to the west of Bermuda and then racing out into the North Atlantic. Impacts for the east coast of the United States going to be confined to rip current risk and things of that nature. Elsewhere across the tropics, I'm happy to say nothing expected to develop as we head into the first week of November, so some pretty good news there. Typically in the month of November, we don't see much activity. Kate, back in 1985, was a storm that impacted our area, and that was late November, so it can happen. Typically, we look near the southeastern U.S. coastline and over across the western Caribbean for development this time of year. Next named storm is going to be Nestor.